What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars, Addison, Illinois, giving you a video on our 1968 Chevrolet C10. A little more of an in-depth video. I got the thing running, and I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, the lights do work. I'm going to tell you what works and what doesn't first. Lights do work. Runs great. It's got a nice little cam, dual exhaust. Tail lights work. It's got LEDs. Horn works. Wipers work. Your radio, can't seem to power that on. I don't know how, so I've tried everything. Maybe this isn't off. Maybe it does work and I'm doing something wrong. Air conditioning does work and blows cold. The heat works as well. Obviously got to give it some time to warm up, but it both works. Tack in the middle works. Try your turn signals. Turn signals work, LED. Try the other side, try the left side. I mean, all the gauges work, everything works on this truck pretty much. Left side works. Now let's go ahead and turn it off. The interior, gorgeous, gorgeous black with red houndstooth in the middle. Dash pad's in great shape. Everything's in great shape. The interior's pretty much, I'd call it a 10. There's really no, there's really no flaws on the interior portion of things. So it's pretty much a 10. The body, barely any paint flaws. Black paint, gorgeous, gorgeous paint, very presentable. It's like this. The paint's about 8 to 9 out of 10. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. All your chrome is immaculate. The underneath of this thing is immaculate. It's got billet specialties wheels with the redline tires. Obviously, you got the black with the white. Just a classy, very classy combination. All the doors work. Windows roll up nicely. Everything works. This truck is really, really ready to go, honestly. And we got it priced right, and you're not going to find another one this clean because this thing is pretty much immaculate. Like I said, the engine, you got a 350, you got air conditioning, which works, power brakes, disc in the front, and I think in the back we have drum. Yep, in the back we have drum. Weiland intake manifold, Holley carb, aluminum radiator, headers. Engine bay is extremely clean. So, like I said, this thing is pretty much ready to go. Very clean. And it's in outstanding shape. Try and find another one this clean. So if you're interested in this 1968 Chevrolet C10, give us a call, 847-848-1850. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. I want to thank everyone for watching the videos. And remember, special financing all over and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed in any of our vehicles, but our vehicles are sold as is. So talk to your sales representative about a sales quote or service quote. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. Bye.